Sorry guys if hindi ako nakakapag-film. Nagkaroon ng... Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Dasha! Hey guys! It's Daily Seth. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a realistic day in my life as a senior high school student. So today, papasok na ako ng school and fortunately, malilate na uli ako. Pero nag-intro pa rin ako guys. Kasi hindi ko rin alam. So yun, papasok na ako.
Lang. Dito 100, dito 100, dito 100. Now, nag-iiba yung usapan kapag mayroong picture na nag-a-apply dito sa dinadaan. Okay? So, hindi na yun mechanical energy. Or tataas yung mechanical energy or bababa yung mechanical energy. Okay? But again, kapag isang conservative force lang yung nag-a-apply sa isang object, kahit saan pa yan, na point, same lang yung mechanical energy.
1,224.
1,000?
224.
224
Joules. Hi guys! Tapos na ang first subject and second subject namin today pero wala si Sir. So yun. Pahingi ako! Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Pagkawa kami ng transport. Transport. Same direction.
Ano topic natin?
HMM, mga yung lang ako.
Start click, friend. Start click. Start click.
I-check ko lang board.
Hey guys. Pinapanood ko lang sila yung sumusulat. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Yun lang, actually hindi talaga to yung realistic day sa buhay ko. Mamaya ako na-explain kasi lunch na. Lunch time! A day in the life as a STEM student. Yo, 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 yo. Ano lunch mo, Drix?
Hotdog, dalawa.
Ay, para sa akin isa.
Medyo.
Anong lunch mo?
Nuggies. Nuggies sana.
It's nugget. Eating turon, tara makunak. Atrix, pakuha, Atrix. Thank you. Nabuburat kami. Hey guys, I'm home. Actually, kanina pa ako nakauwi. I just take a nap for a little kasi sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko nung pag-uwi ko. Wala naman masyadong ginawa sa school. Actually, hindi nga yun yung realistic day na usually ginagawa namin sa school. Kasi sa buong araw, sobrang tuloy-tuloy lang talaga yung subject. Pero kasi ngayon, wala yung two profs namin. So, naging easy sa amin na makapag-take kami ng rest. Pero still, may ginawa pa rin kaming written task sa kanila. And tomorrow, another day, another whole day. Ganun pa rin yung setup, pero ibang subjects lang. Still 4 subjects and whole day pa rin yung class namin. Tomorrow, meron kaming quiz. And also, our research again, research again. Preparing for some reportings this week and our visuals for this week. So, hey Glenn,
Hello. Oh God.
tell me about yourself.
Dakilang tamad, walang pangarap. Tapos minsan meron, minsan wala. Depende sa team. Pag may baho.
Si Glenn po ang isa sa pinakamasamang tao.
Uy.
Dito sa...
Uy, ang exaggerated naman nun.
Excuse me sometime.
Hey guys! It's Wednesday and wala kaming class today. Pero meron pa rin akong need tapusin para sa reporting namin tomorrow and yung quiz pa namin sa physics tomorrow. So today na wala kaming class, I need to finish my reporting part sa general biology and also to prepare para sa quiz namin.
My romance, little spirit, I see you playing you're denying.
Hey guys, it's Thursday and nasa Jollibee kami kasi dismissal na kanina pa.
Don't keep me waiting for us.
Guys, kita kami.
Hey guys! So today is last day of class for this week kasi Friday na. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyayari sa akin tuwing Friday. Meron kaming mass mamaya. Buti na lang at 7:09 pa lang. Medyo maaga pa. Hindi pa ako ganun malinis. So, sorry guys if hindi ako nakakapag-film ng as in buong araw ko sa school kasi nagkaroon ng issue sa school na
Denying, but you ain't controlling yourself. Don't keep me waiting for us to go.
CCS! Kami yan!
That's it for today's week vlog, guys. I hope you like it. See you again to my next senior high school diaries. Grazie mille. Adios.